All right, hi guys. This is my first shot at doing a video using these whiteboards, so we're going to see how it goes. Today's lesson and tomorrow's lesson is all about checkpoint 6B. It's adding and subtracting rational expressions. Today we're going to focus on the adding, and tomorrow we're going to work on subtracting, also throw in a little adding to make sure we can do both of them. Reminder that rational expression is just a complicated way to say fraction, so we're really just adding and subtracting fractions today. I have three examples for you. This first one looks like this. If you've been doing your homework, you will have seen this one already. You will have done this one already. But we just want to make sure we review and know what we're doing here. So reminder that when we're adding two rational expressions, our goal is to get a common denominator. And we're in luck in this one because the denominators are already the same. So when they're already the same, all I have to do is take the tops or the numerators, add them together. Now the denominators, you don't have to do anything fancy with them. You just write it down one time. It's kind of like when you say 3x plus 4x equals 7x. The x part doesn't change. So I have x squared plus 2x plus 1. That's my denominator. Now you'd think maybe we're done here, but we need to double check and make sure we can't simplify this any further. Like if we got an answer of 2/4, we wouldn't be done until we said 1/2. In this case, we can keep going. We can factor in order to simplify. On top, when we factor, we have to take out the greatest common factor. If you look at the top, hopefully you notice that there's a 3 in common in both. So to factor out, 3 times what makes x? I'm sorry, 3 times what makes 3x? And 3 times what makes 3? We've just factored the top. On the bottom, not quite as easy, although you guys are more comfortable with this one. If you use your box and diamond, okay, you will factor and you will get x plus 1 times x plus 1. Okay, now reminder that when we have everything multiplied here, if you have the same thing on the top and the bottom, it does create a giant 1, and we can cancel out to simplify. Okay, so in this case, the x plus 1 cancel out. Your final answer is 3 over x plus 1.